Every decade has a bird. 1920s, the mocking parrot from Steamboat Willie. 1930s, Donald Duck or Daffy Duck. These two birds are probably the most iconic fictional birds regardless of time period. 1940s, Tweety Bird or Foghorn Leghorn or Woody the Woodpecker. 1950s, Roadrunner. While Roadrunner was created in 1949, he mainly dominated the 50s decade. 1960s, Woodstock from the Peanuts comic, who first appeared in 1966. 1970s, Big Bird. While he was created in 1969, nice, he mainly dominated the 70s decade. 1980s, Laserbeak from the Transformers or Pingu. 1990s, Zazu from the Lion King or Iago from Aladdin. 2000s, Skipper from Madagascar or Red from Angry Birds. 2010s, Mordecai from Regular Show. 2020s, this thing is technically a bird, right? It is chicken after all.